Hey guys, this is Vivek from Algorency and today we're gonna talk about insertion sort. So, what is insertion sort? Insertion sort is an elementary sorting algorithm that sorts one element at a time. It just feels like arranging a deck of cards in an order in your hand. Unlike bubble sort, it does not require any number of passes. If you are not familiar how bubble sort works, the link is in the description. Okay, now let me take an example guys on how actually insertion sort works. So consider an array of elements 952, 856. Now we will take two pointers I and j where I will initially point to 1 and j will point to I minus 1, something like this. And we will check it with a condition that if the value at I is less than value at j, we will swap them, incrementing I up to the end. But as I've told you guys, unlike bubble sort, insertion sort focuses on the elementary sorting of an element until it gets finished. We'll not just stop after comparing I with j. Now we'll start comparing I with all the previous elements. So instead of I, now we'll use another variable k, which will initially point to I, or we can also point it to I minus 1. And j will point to k minus 1. And we'll keep changing the values of pointers k and j until the part of array up to I gets fully sorted. Now we'll keep iterating with the conditions. If a of k is less than a of j, we'll swap them with decrementing k and j consecutively, else we'll break our loop. Because if the condition is greater than its previous one, then it should be greater than all the remaining values, because that part of array has already been sorted. Okay, so now coming to our example. Now we'll compare the value at I with value at j. Since we know that 5 is less than 9, so we'll just swap them, incrementing our I. Okay, now we'll come here. So again we'll check that the value of I is less than value at j or not, that it is less than its previous value or not. So here 2 is less than 9, so we'll swap them, and also we'll point k to I minus 1, and that is 2, and j to k minus 1, that is 5. Again we can say that see that value at k is less than value at j, so we'll again swap them here 2 5 9, and also increment a value of I, because the previous part has already been sorted. Now we'll again check with I that 8 is less than its previous value, that is 9, so we'll swap them and point k to 8 and j to 5. Now we can see here guys that a of k, that is 8, is not less than a of 5. So we'll just break our loop, that is we'll just break our iteration, because we have no need to check now. Let's guess further. Now our I will point to 5 after incrementing it with 1. So since we now know that how this insertion sort work, so I'll just directly send this 5 to position onto this position. Okay. Similarly, I will point the 6 to this position, and finally we'll get a required sorted array. Okay guys, so now we'll see the code implementation of insertion sort. So here as you can see, we have our input array A with values 952, 856, and we are calling our insertion sort function inside the print method. And here we are defining a function. So first we will declare variable I, which will point to 1, and start a while loop until I is less than the length of array. We'll check a condition. If I is less than a of I minus 1, then we will declare pointers k, which will point to I, and j, which will point to I minus 1. and we'll start iterating again until j is greater than equal to 0. We need to take inclusive 0 because we also need to check the value at index 0. Again, our condition, if a of k is less than a of j, we will swap them. Decrementing the value of k with k minus 1. So j. If our condition fell, we'll just break our loop. And finally, we'll increment I for the outer while loop and just return the value of array. So let me run this code for you guys. And here we get a desired output. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and share this video as much as you can. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.